It's amazing in all of the hustle and bustle. People who know the Lord many times stay in the outer court, never get into the inner court. There is something about getting into the inner court where nothing else matters, into a deeper, deeper worship. I just hear you, God. I just hear your voice. Consuming fire, sweet perfume, His awesome presence. Feel Him right now. Fills this room right where you are. This is holy, holy ground. Thank you, Jesus. Thank you, Jesus. Enter in, enter in. This is holy, holy ground. Oh, my, 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 my. This is holy, holy ground. Oh, let's go into the inner court. Let's go into the inner court. So come and bow down. Just begin to praise Him now. Oh God, I want a deeper relationship with you. I want to feel your presence more in this season. I'm so worried about my problems, I can't get into this inner court, but I'm entering in right now. Oh God, bow down. Bow down. I gotta do it because you've been better to me than I've been to myself. Come on, come on in, come on in, come on in. He'll heal you as you come in. He'll make that way for you. He will open that door for you. Whatever your need is happening right now. Bow down, bow down. Nothing else matters. Nothing else matters. Just me and you, Jesus. You got to tell him, just me and you, Jesus. Just me and you, Jesus. Jesus, 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 Jesus. Bow down, bow down, bow down, bow down. Oh, tears may be streaming down your face right now. That's all right. Don't worry about how you look. Don't worry about who's around you. I'm in your presence, Jesus. I'm in your presence, Jesus. I feel a change taking place. I feel it, I feel it, I feel it. I feel it, I feel it, I feel it. Oh God, I'm going into this realm with you. You're making me whole. You're making me whole, Jesus. Oh, bow down. Thank you, Jesus. Thank you, Jesus. I worship you. I love you, Jesus. I honor you, Jesus. Nobody like you. There's nobody like you. There's nobody like you.